This is apartment 5B in Dunolly Gardens, Jackson Heights, Queens. A newly renovated one-bedroom apartment, asking $360,000. So the great things about this apartment are the windows and the light. As you'll see when you go into the living room, which is quite large, you are immediately drawn to these beautiful windows, this gorgeous tree, and you're basically looking down into the gardens in this entire apartment. And every single room has a window. Note that the floors have just been redone. It's newly painted. No need to fill any holes in the wall. There's nothing hanging. This foyer area could be a workspace, or you could put a table here. There's a closet here. And then the kitchen has just been completely redone. This is a brand new stainless steel refrigerator. Never been used. Same for the stove. It's gas. Look at that microwave, brand new. Cabinetry, all new. Counters, tiling. And then look at this beautiful corner window here in the kitchen. Very large space. Dishwasher, also brand new. And all of the drawers are soft close. So again, looking out into this beautiful view out into the garden. Beautiful, beautiful renovation. This is for the virtual doorman. Here in the hallway, you have two closets. Another quite deep closet. Bathroom has just been redone. This is a new cabinet and medicine cabinet. The tub has been reglazed, and there's a lovely little window here. And then finally, the bedroom, which is quite large, and again, features a corner window. So you have this window, and then you have this beautiful corner window looking out to trees. And again, the private gardens that give Dunolly Gardens its name. You can see the gardens down here. Very quiet, except for the birds. And another closet here. So move right in. It's literally all been redone. These windows are brand new as well. Plenty of room for even a king-size bed. Very large bedroom. Heading back through the hallway. Really interesting thing about this apartment is that it's a northern exposure, which you normally associate with an apartment being less light, and this apartment is just incredibly light and bright. So that's really what I love the most. So here you have it, 5B, Dunolly Gardens, Jackson Heights, Queens.